When most people think about Saudi Arabia, they immediately associate it with oil. While it is true that Saudi Arabia is one of the most powerful oil-producing countries in the world, this perception only scratches the surface of its true influence. Saudi Arabia is not just an energy giant. It is a country that holds strategic control over multiple global systems, including geopolitics, religion, finance, trade routes, and emerging industries. Its power is layered, calculated, and deeply embedded in both regional and global structures. Understanding Saudi Arabia today requires looking beyond oil and recognizing how it has positioned itself as a multifaceted global power. Today we will talk about how Saudi Arabia controls more than just oil. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Energy influence, more than production numbers. Saudi Arabia's control over oil is not just about how much it produces, but how it manages supply and influences global markets. The country has the unique ability to adjust production levels relatively quickly, allowing it to stabilize or disrupt global oil prices. This gives Saudi Arabia a level of economic influence that extends far beyond its borders. Unlike many other oil-producing nations, Saudi Arabia maintains spare production capacity. This means it can increase output during global shortages, making it a critical player in times of crisis. This capability gives the country a stabilizing role in the global economy, but also provides leverage in international relations. Furthermore, Saudi Arabia's leadership role among major oil exporters allows it to shape policies that impact energy markets worldwide. This level of control ensures that even countries not directly trading with Saudi Arabia are affected by its decisions. Geopolitical power, a central player in the Middle East. Saudi Arabia's geopolitical importance cannot be overstated. It is one of the most influential countries in the Middle East, with the ability to shape political outcomes across the region. Its decisions often impact neighboring countries and influence broader regional dynamics. The country maintains strong alliances with major global powers, particularly the United States, while also expanding its relationships with countries like China and India. This strategic balancing allows Saudi Arabia to remain relevant in a rapidly changing global order. In regional politics, Saudi Arabia often takes a leadership role, whether through diplomatic initiatives, economic support, or strategic partnerships. Its influence is not limited to direct action, but also includes its ability to shape the behavior of other countries. Religious significance, global influence through faith. One of the most powerful, yet often underestimated aspects of Saudi Arabia's influence is its religious significance. The country is home to Islam's two holiest cities, Mecca and Medina. This gives Saudi Arabia a unique position in the Muslim world. Every year, millions of Muslims travel to Saudi Arabia for pilgrimage. Managing these religious journeys gives the country not only responsibility, but also global influence. It strengthens Saudi Arabia's connection with Muslim communities across the world. This religious authority also translates into soft power. Saudi Arabia can influence religious discourse, cultural values, and social perspectives in many parts of the world. This form of influence is subtle, but deeply impactful. Economic transformation, building beyond oil. Saudi Arabia has recognized that relying solely on oil is not sustainable in the long term. As a result, it has launched major initiatives to diversify its economy. These efforts focus on sectors such as tourism, entertainment, technology, and infrastructure. Large development projects aim to transform the country into a global economic hub. These projects are designed to attract international investment and create new opportunities for growth. By expanding into new industries, Saudi Arabia is increasing its global influence beyond energy. This transformation is not just about economics. It is also about reshaping the country's identity. Saudi Arabia is positioning itself as a modern, forward-looking nation capable of competing on a global scale. Strategic geography, a gateway between continents. Saudi Arabia's location is another key factor in its importance. It sits at the crossroads of Asia, Africa, and Europe, making it a natural hub for trade and transportation. This geographic advantage enhances its role in global commerce. The country has access to major waterways, including the Red Sea and the Arabian Gulf. These routes are essential for global shipping and energy transport. By controlling access to these, Saudi Arabia plays a critical role in maintaining the flow of goods and resources. Infrastructure projects, including ports and logistics networks, are being developed to strengthen this position. These efforts aim to turn Saudi Arabia into a central node in global supply chains. Financial strength, global investment power. Saudi Arabia's financial resources are among the largest in the world. Through its sovereign wealth funds, the country invests in a wide range of industries across different continents. These investments give Saudi Arabia influence in global markets. From technology companies to real estate projects, Saudi capital is shaping industries and economies. This financial reach allows the country to build strategic partnerships and gain access to new opportunities. The ability to invest on such a large scale provides flexibility and resilience. It ensures that Saudi Arabia can adapt to changing economic conditions while maintaining its global influence. Military and security role. Saudi Arabia also plays an important role in regional security. It maintains a strong military and invests heavily in defense capabilities. This allows the country to protect its interests and contribute to regional stability. Its security policies often influence the broader Middle East. By participating in alliances and defense initiatives, Saudi Arabia helps shape the security landscape of the region. This military capability also acts as a deterrent, discouraging potential threats and reinforcing the country's position as a key regional power. Cultural expansion and soft power. In recent years, Saudi Arabia has made significant efforts to expand its cultural influence. Investments in entertainment, sports, and media are part of a broader strategy to project a new image on the global stage. Hosting international events and developing cultural industries helps the country connect with global audiences. These efforts enhance Saudi Arabia's soft power, allowing it to influence perceptions and build relationships. Cultural influence complements economic and political power, creating a more comprehensive form of global presence. Energy transition, preparing for the future. As the world moves toward cleaner energy, Saudi Arabia is taking steps to remain relevant. It is investing in renewable energy projects, including solar and hydrogen, to diversify its energy portfolio. This approach ensures that the country will continue to play a significant role in global energy markets, even as demand for oil changes. By adapting to new trends, Saudi Arabia is securing its long-term influence. This forward-thinking strategy highlights the country's ability to evolve and respond to global challenges. Diplomatic flexibility, balancing global relationships. Saudi Arabia's diplomatic strategy is built on flexibility and balance. The country maintains relationships with a wide range of nations, allowing it to navigate complex geopolitical situations. This approach enables Saudi Arabia to act as a mediator in certain conflicts and to build partnerships that serve its interests. By engaging with multiple global powers, it ensures that it remains a central player in international affairs. Diplomatic flexibility is a key component of Saudi Arabia's influence, allowing it to adapt to changing circumstances. Challenges and risks. Despite its many strengths, Saudi Arabia faces challenges that could impact its future. Economic diversification requires time and consistent effort. Global shifts in energy demand could also affect its traditional sources of revenue. Regional tensions and geopolitical uncertainties add another layer of complexity. Additionally, balancing modernization with social and cultural traditions presents its own challenges. Addressing these issues will be critical for maintaining and expanding Saudi Arabia's influence in the years ahead, a power that extends beyond oil. Saudi Arabia's global importance cannot be understood through oil alone. While energy remains a key foundation, the country's influence extends into geopolitics, religion, finance, culture, and global trade. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.